Welcome, this is Flight Instructor Nick. Today's lesson will be starting off the series of the private pilot ground training as outlined in the FAA Airman Certification Standards. The first thing you want to do to get the latest Airman Certification Standards is go to FAA.gov, Training and Testing, click that link, scroll down. It's under Airman Practical Test Standards, and if you scroll down to Private Pilot, you can actually look at the Airman Certification Standards, which is what the Practical Test Standards have been changed to. And if you look under Private Pilot Airplane Airman Certification Standards, you click on that. As you click on that link, you'll come to the Private Pilot Airplane Airman Certification Standards, June 2018. We'll scroll down to the actual areas that we'll be covering in the series. Some of this will be ground knowledge, and some of this will be areas that we will not cover, which will be covered actually in an actual aircraft during the practical demonstration. But some of the areas in this series that we'll be covering are under pre-flight preparation, pilot qualifications, airworthiness requirements, weather information, cross-country flight planning, national airspace system performance and limitations, operations of systems, human factors. Scroll down some more. Be covering airport operations, communications, light signals, runway lighting systems, traffic patterns. This is all practical airplane stuff that you'll be actually doing in the actual aircraft. Navigation, we'll be covering pilotage and dead reckoning, navigation systems and radar services, diversion, loss procedures. These are actual practical maneuvers in the aircraft. We may be covering some of this basic instrument stuff under radio communications, navigation systems, facilities. We'll skip over this. This is actual aircraft maneuvers. We won't be covering multi-engine operations. And that pretty much covers the areas for this private pilot, covering the ground series of the private pilot. And this concludes today's video. For the first video in the Private Pilot Ground series for the Airman Certification Standards ground course. Come back, subscribe, see you on video 2.